Welcome! If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you find this video helpful, as I upload new videos like this regularly. In this video I will show you how I sometimes mount my tattoo flash on hardboard. This gives it a hefty feel and looks awesome when coated. If you haven't yet watched how I coat my flash, I recommend you do so after this video. This design that I'm about to paint is heavily influenced by Dragon painted by Lyle Tuttle. Let's get going. design is now ready to be mounted. I'm using a 3mm thick hardboard, or also known as masonite, but you can use a mounting board instead. A coat of Elmer's glue, or as in my case regular wood glue, will do the job perfectly of bonding the painting to the board. I have a piece of baking paper between, as the glue will not stick to this if you add it too much. Leave it to dry for a while under weight so it doesn't curl up. I later cut the excess off with a miter saw. If you don't have one available, make sure to cut the board to size beforehand. I'm sanding the edges lightly to remove cut marks and to round off the edges. I thought it turned out great with this black border around. Let me know what you think. Here you see me coat the drawing to finish it off. I have another video that shows the entire process. If you haven't watched it yet, I recommend you do so now. Thank you for watching, and as always, let me know if this video was helpful to you. Until next time, bye.